Alright, what is going on, everyone? So in today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing what can you get at Gucci for $100. Now, this video I saw recently blew up on Jacob Starr's channel, which you guys should go check his channel out. The original video will be in the description along with this channel, and you guys should go check that out. I recommend before you check out this video, so you guys can see where I got the inspiration for this video. And I'm going to wait over here till you guys go check out his video, so yeah, you better go check it out. Okay, so we are back. Hopefully you did check out the video, blah, 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 all that stuff. But if you are new, do go ahead and subscribe below if you do enjoy content like this. And another thing you guys to do, drop a like in this video. It'd be really appreciated. And I'm also going to be announcing some details for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway since you guys managed to hit 10,000 with me. And I really do appreciate you guys' support on that. But anyways, we're getting into this video. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and let's get started. Okay, so I am on the Gucci website, web store, whatever you guys want to call it right now, and I'm going to be looking for some items that probably be priced right around $100. Now, when I was watching Jacob's video, shout out to him. You guys got to go check out his channel in the description. I'd appreciate that, because he did give some idea for this video, or as you guys probably tell, but I did notice that he checked out the section with like charms and tote bags and different sections, and he started looking up some stuff that's really expensive, like in the backpack section. So I'm just going to sort of go through some items and then try to find some that are around $100. Like, I wouldn't mind if there's anything like $150, things around the $100 range you could find on Gucci. So I'm gonna get started on that. So let's begin this sort of screen recording and we'll get started on that. So first things first, we're in the men's section, but that doesn't really matter. We're just on the front page. So let's go to tote bags. I don't really know if there's such thing as a men's tote bag. I don't think that really matter, but you know, I expect things here to probably be priced sort of highly because you know, Gucci tote bags. So I guess we just gotta sort of hover over them. 4,000, okay. $4,000 for a tote bag. So if you guys are interested in some tote bags, here you go. 400. All right, that's insanely high. I sort of forgot to account for the fact that they probably have these sort of designs to be more expensive. So we're gonna move out of this section. Not sneakers. Sneakers would be really expensive. Any sort of thing with like backpacks, belts. Like here, look, I'll show you guys some of the backpacks right now. Like backpacks here. Here, I'll bet you it's gonna be really just like a couple thousand. I'll bet easy on all these being a couple thousand. 1,980. So I was a bit wrong on that. 1,980, 1,980, 1,980. These are all really expensive. But you know, Gucci backpacks, these probably aren't as much as those, but $1,000 for a backpack, like, come on. You do want to think about your decisions. $1,000 for a backpack. I'm not gonna be spending $1,000 on a backpack anytime soon. I can guarantee that. But we're gonna move out of that section. So let's see what else they got. Full name. But yeah, we'll just check out the slippers so you guys can see. Like the slippers are gonna be. These are all gonna be a couple hundred. I wouldn't expect to see anything in the thousands. We'll go back to the men's section. So got the men's collection. Cruise 2018. Coming soon, so you guys can look forward to that. And then, so yeah, the sandal slides. I know they have things that are like a couple hundred from what I've heard, but we're not looking at that. We're looking at trying to find things that are hundreds or so. So we'll just go back into like the jewelry section, because I could see Gucci having some cheaper chains and, you know, charm. You know, when I watched Jacob's video, it showed like there were some charms, I think, at the $100 range, which is what we're looking for. So we'll just go into the men's jewelry. You know, we got the rings, fashion jewelry, all that stuff here. So we're just gonna look for the charms. Something in the silver jewelry would probably be cheaper. I've just, you know, that's something to expect pretty easy. Like silver jewelry will probably be cheaper than gold jewelry or anything else. So we'll just go into this section and see what we got for prices here. These are probably gonna be a couple hundred. 1,320, not that, I meant these. Well, never mind. 710, got their pure silver, so I gotta look out for that. Got the rings, got everything here. Oh, we got some charms here, or no, these are just in the regular. Yeah, wolf head necklace, probably 500, 430, about 430, okay. But as we continue to move down, I would definitely notice some stuff. So 225 here, so that's not bad. That's the cheapest thing we found so far. We got a Gucci Ghost tie bar in silver. You guys can see that right here. And we also got the K, so no necklace. There we go. So we got the, look at these are some cheaper charms here. So here we go. Here is two things right here. So we got the interlocking G charm in silver. As you guys can see right here, that is probably, that's right around to $100. So if you're looking to spend $100, maybe a little bit more at Gucci, this would be one of the things. This was in Jacob's video, I believe, this interlocking G charm in silver, which, I mean, I did watch how he got the charm and actually bought it and reviewed it. It's actually pretty thin from what I've heard, but he said it's really nice, like diamond cut, like a rope chain. So that's pretty good, and glad that the quality was good from what I've heard. And then we also got this Gucci Blind for Love charm in silver. So here we go. I'll just look at this item right here. So I'm gonna click in it, and then we'll see what we can think of this. So right here, as you guys can see, it does say sterling silver. So, you know, it's regular silver, nothing crazy. And you guys can see, I do like the little face they have right here. Sorry, I'm not very good with understanding animals, but you guys can see this. This is actually really really, really clean. So there you go, just says Gucci made in Italy. Scrolling. This is actually really nice. Let's go to the next little picture of it. And Blind for Love at the back, which I think is sort of cool. Let's look at the details for it. So, sterling silver, you have to reserve for back order. But then here's all stuff made in Italy, Gucci guarantees, it'll be all safe, environmental responsibility. The bracelet is sold separately, so you're actually only going to get the charm. You're not going to get the actual bracelet with it, so you're going to have to buy a bracelet to actually be able to wear this charm. But that's another item right there that you can find for around $100 at Gucci. So we'll continue on and move into our sections. I'll doubt we'll find anything in you know, the jackets, suits. Those are probably going to be thousands or hundreds if you're trying to find one that's cheaper. But jewelry appeared to be the section where there was some stuff, but we'll definitely move into the small accessories section because that would be where you'd find something cheaper, anything in accessories here. These are wallets, so these are going to be a couple hundred. Let's see, there's 730, 820, probably 550. And then Gucci phone cases will easily be 300 because, I mean, they're just plastic phone cases, I believe. So, I mean, I don't know why they cost that much, but all the wallets are going to cost way too much. So, we're just going to move through those. These may be cheaper, actually. Oh, never mind. It's still a wallet. I thought it was just a card holder, but I did not actually read. Phone cases, card holder right here. $290. So, if you're looking for a Gucci card holder, we got $290 right here. That's actually not that bad for a card holder. The Louis Vuitton card holders cost $250. So, I mean, if you're trying to find which one's priced better, it'd be Louis Vuitton as of right now. But we can keep moving throughout and see what we got here. So it looks like it's another wallet. It's at 380. There we go there. 420 for that wallet. And these are more expensive, but here we go. We do have a Gucci little charm here, I believe. So 240 double snake keychain. That's pretty sick, actually. I actually like the design a lot. I'm gonna click on that real quick and look at it. Yeah, the double G snake chain. So it's a snake right here, and then there's a regular Gucci G. Palladium finish hardware, so that's not actually. This looks pretty nice to me. I'd probably cop this, but I'm not gonna cop that right now. We're just gonna go back, and then we're gonna scroll through all the accessories. But the way I can find out how these are cheaper, I'm just gonna sort them low to high. So let's go through the lowest priced item and then the highest priced item. Here we go. For this one, 330. So in this whole section, 330 is the cheapest for anything, as you guys can see here. Nothing really that expensive though. It's pretty nicely priced. Well, I mean, they're all expensive. They're wallets. 340 bucks for a wallet. If you think about that, that's pretty highly priced. But I'm not trying to waste your all's time. So we're gonna try and find something else in the sort of cheaper range. Why don't we look at some hats? I mean, hats would probably be, hats would probably be a couple hundred, but I mean, it'd be something cheaper we'd find. I think gloves would probably be expensive, but these hats, let's look at these, probably a couple hundred. I mean, I know Gucci prices decently. 310, 700, pretty expensive. I'm gonna sort them again, because I feel like it, so low to high. Let's see what they got for low to high. Okay, Gucci headbands. Okay, I believe these are headbands. If there were anything else, I'd be confused, because we're in that sort of section. So 270 for elastic Gucci headband, and then 270 for an elastic web headband. Okay, so we're back, and now I'm gonna look at the Gucci website again, and we're gonna see what we can find. So I'm just gonna look at the jewelry and watches section, because that'd probably be where some, as you guys found earlier, I saw some necklaces and chains and all that were cheaper. And you know, I saw one for 130. So we're gonna like hair accessories here, for those of you that have longer hair or whatever, woman, whatever it may be. But we'll look at these accessories, but they'll probably still be more expensive. We're gonna sort them from low to high again, see how accurate it is though, because usually they're not best. But okay, that's gonna cost a lot, and so are all these, I'd assume. Second at loads is probably gonna 290, 515, 565. It's just only gonna get more expensive, so I was very wrong on that. Go back to the men's section. I don't know why I keep clicking it, because then it keeps going all the way back. That will probably be more affordable in the men's section. I'll probably close it out, because just face it, there isn't much it's probably gonna be for $100 in Gucci, or around $100, because it's a designer brand, and they're gonna make everything as expensive as possible to make as much profit. We'll go into the slides though, because they'll have some probably, yeah, the Gucci slides I know are like, okay, here's a colorway I have not seen, actually. I don't know why I haven't seen these. They're actually decent. 210, 210, 210. So if you're looking for some Gucci sandals, they're 210, 2 slides, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, that's actually not that bad. I remember Gucci slides, people are like, oh, they're so much more, but they're not. They're actually cheaper and affordable, as you guys can see here. So not a bad price. It's probably go down further, probably get more expensive. 370, and it's only going to get to like 500 and more probably, but these aren't going to, 620, so there you go for some slides. So if you're looking to drop too much money on slides, there you go, it's right on the Gucci website. Let's see what else we could find. We could probably find portfolio. I wouldn't expect a portfolio to be too expensive, right? Or well, actually I'm wrong in that. I'd probably expect it to be way more expensive. 590, yeah, not shocked. I mean, if you're trying to carry your laptop and be a high piece at the same time, it's gonna cost you. Wow, that's small and it still costs a bunch. So here we go. Just still absurdly expensive. There's probably a couple, no, probably one of the bigger items, and it's more affordable. That just doesn't make sense to me. But whatever, you know, we'll move on to another section. but as we can probably tell, there isn't much on the site at all for $100. We did find 2 items around that range. We found one at 125, and then we found some more that were sort of cheaper, but that's really it. Like, there isn't much. Like, I checked portfolios and everything. They don't have any of the maps or calendars or schedules like Louis Vuitton does, are like 30 bucks on their site. But aside from that, that's what we have on the Gucci website. It's, you know, it's expensive, it's designer. I'm just gonna close the video out here. That's all we could really find. You know, just sort of explored the website too. We did find a couple things for $100, sort of cool, and thank you all for watching. Anyways though, thank you all for watching this video. I do appreciate your guys' constant support you guys have been showing lately. I will be announcing the giveaway details in my next video. Sorry that I'm not doing it in this video. I'm tired and it's sort of late, and I also want to get one more sort of suggestion just to finalize what I'm going to be giving away. So leave some suggestions down below in the comments on what I should give away. I plan to make it a big giveaway, so leave any suggestions below. I'll be taking them all into account, and I'll be reading all the comments as I usually do. But another thing you guys can do before I close it out, subscribe below if you're new for more content like this. I'd really appreciate it. And another thing you guys can do, drop a like in this video. Let's get 200 likes. That'd be a great goal. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and peace out.